great. So first of all, how are you guys? And I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be another wedding guest makeup look. So मैंने एक और makeup look किया था कुछ टाइम पहले. So I thought of doing another makeup look जिसमें कि the eyes will be very simple, very easy. This makeup look is very simple, very easy. You can totally wear this makeup look with every outfit. If you're wearing a sari, suit, lehenga, be it pink, blue, purple, green, lavender or any other color, you can totally wear this makeup because ये makeup थोड़ा सा versatile है and very universal and also you can easily do this makeup look with minimum products. So I thought of doing this makeup look for all of you guys. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching, and also if you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए मेरी नई वीडियो का and you do not miss out on any of my new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So firstly we are going to prep our face, prep our skin for the makeup, and for this I'm going to use a face serum. Okay, so today I'll be using this Good Vibes Rose Hip Face Serum. This is a Radiant Glow Face Serum and this is how the bottle looks like. So this face serum is very nourishing and it's very good if you use it before makeup. So I'm just going to take 2 drops of it and I'll just press it into my skin. Also, I'm massaging the face serum very well into my skin so that my skin looks beautiful and radiant. Next, for the moisturizer, I'm going to be using this Biotique Morning Nectar Moisturizer, and as I have already told you guys, this is very good for every skin type, literally every skin type, and this suits almost every skin type. So if you are looking for a good moisturizer, nourishing and glowing moisturizer, you can totally go for it, and I literally love this moisturizer. And so next, for the primer, I am going to use this Sugar Cosmetics primer, and you can use any kind of primer, silicone based primer or oil based primer, but I like to use a silicone based primer because it helps to blur out the pores and gives your skin a very mattifying and flawless base. So I'm just rubbing the primer into my skin and around the nose because this is the area where I have the most visible pores. So next, for the foundation, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and I am in the shade 140. So I'm just going to shake the bottle a little bit, taking just little bit on the back of my hand, and I am going to dot it on my skin just like this, and इसके बाद हम इसको spread कर लेंगे. Alright guys, so next we are going to conceal our dark circles, and for this I am going to use this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I am in the shade 312 Amber. I'm going to apply it under my eyes. Just one drop. So if you want a little bit more coverage, you can always add on a little bit more product, but we are going to do a very simple makeup today. So to set everything in place, I'm going to use a compact powder. So today I'll be using this Color Bar compact powder, and this is in the shade 002 Shell. So next for the brows, I'm going to use a Sugar Cosmetics eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade Taupe Top. Alright guys, so next we are going to do our eyeshadow, and as I have told you earlier that we are going to do a very minimum makeup and very neutral eyeshadow. So I'll be taking this Sugar Cosmetics blush in the shade Coral Climax, and I am going to apply it on my crease just like this. And I'm just blending the color into my crease well. And you're done. If you want, you can leave this eye look as it is, apply some liner mascara, and you're done. But as we're going to a party or a function, I like to apply a little bit, shimmer and sheen to my eyes. So I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade 03 Champagne. So next we are going to apply eyeliner, and today I'll be using this Maybelline Colossal. So today I'll be using this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner, and I'm going to make a sexy wing today. And today I'll be using this Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. So I'll just coat my lashes with this. Next, to bronze my face a little bit, I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics mini bronzer, and this is in the shade 01 Taupe Topper, and I'm just going to bronze my face with this. So next I'm going to apply some blush, and I'm using the same blush जो मैंने अपने आई शेडो के लिए यूज किया था, उसी से मैं अपना ब्लश एंड आई शेडो मैंने दोनों कर लिया. So next, to highlight my face a little bit more, I am going to use again this Sugar Cosmetics highlighter, and this is in the shade Champagne 01 Champagne. So I'm going to highlight my nose, my cheekbones, cupid's bow, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. I am going to use this Chambord lipstick, and I don't know the name of this, the shade name of this, so I'll mention it in the description box. I am in love with this makeup, so let me know if you like this video or not in the comment section. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that you will be notified every time I upload my new video. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.